Is find everything on the formulas here. Even though they only asked for a couple of it, I want to go ahead and find everything. On number 4, it says you take out $8,000 on a new motorcycle at 12% interest for 24 months. So $8,000 loan at 12% interest for 24 months. The monthly payment is equal to, Jacob, open your book. $376.80. The balance after 15 payments is equal to $3,222.44. They want you to find the interest for A, the first payment, and B, the 16th payment. Okay. Month 44. How do we find interest, guys? Principal times rate times time. And the only tricky part here is the time, to tell you the truth. So to find our first payment, how much interest we paid in this first bit right here. For our first payment, what was our principal when we had our first payment? How much did we owe the bank?
8,000.
Times rate. What is our rate? 12%. And that's per year, isn't it? So when we do time, if this is 12% per year, our time needs to be in years. What kind of payment was this? For how much? One what? 1 month, right? Does everybody understand that? So how do you write a month in terms of years? 1 over 12. Should be able to put all that into your calculator and get an answer. What do you guys get? $80 even.
Yes.
So that's how much interest you pay in the first payment. Now the 16th payment. What's going to change? The principal. What is our principal? Now the principal is basically your balance after the previous payment. So on the 16th payment, it's your balance after the 15th payment. What was that balance that you owed the bank? Anybody?
$3,222.44.
What is your rate? Still 0.12, right? And that was still a payment for how many months? 1. So your time is 1 over 12, is it not? This is your first payment. This is your 16th payment. What was your interest then?
$32.22.
Yeah.
Now, what I would like to add to this problem, that you didn't do it, if those of you that are working ahead, is let's find our payment to principal at this point in the 16th, in our 16th payment. How much of this, of our payment, was to principal in the 16th payment? How do I figure that out?
Subtract,
Well, what you do is you take your monthly payment. What was our monthly payment? 376 what? And then you subtract how much of that payment was interest. How much of it was interest? 3222, correct? So how much did we pay towards our principal when we made that 16th payment?
344.58.
That was your payment, how much you paid on the principal. So what then would your new principal be? What would your new principal be? Well, what was it before? $3,222.44. And your last payment, you paid how much off of that? $344.58. So what is your new principal now? Mm-hmm. Got it.
$877.86.
Very good. So this is how much you owe. So let's say you made this payment. You made your payment of $376 and you won the lottery and you wanted to pay off the rest of it. If you wanted to pay off the rest of this loan, that's what you pay at that point. You would pay this and your payment, right? For that 16th payment. Make sense? What does it have as your assignment, numbers 1 through 20? Okay. You didn't do all of them. You had one to finish. I think you didn't do number 20 or something, or I thought it was one or two of them you didn't do. I'll look at it again, but
we need to find the new principal on all of them.
no. I just wanted to, so I did an example like all the problems you're going to do. I just thought I'd add that to the end of that. So, all right. Let's get to work. Let's start out this semester right. No zero.